What's going on, guys? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best multi-tools on the market in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information about these multi-tools, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video and leave your answer in the comment section. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond to you as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. And to get started, the first multi-tool we're going to show you is the LEATHERMAN Charge Plus Titanium Multi-Tool. Next up, we've got the LEATHERMAN Wave Plus Multi-Tool. And the third multi-tool we're going to show you today, it's another one from LEATHERMAN. It's the LEATHERMAN Mutt Multi-Tool. And now that we got the LEATHERMANs out of the way, now we're going to show you a couple from Gerber. The first one up is the Gerber Diesel Multi-Tool. And the last multi-tool we're going to show you in this video is the Gerber Suspension Multi-Tool. And now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which multi-tools you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next slide for related product videos that you just might be interested in.